Easy, easy on the hoe. You just do nice and light and drop your weight. Remember, the goal is nice and light. So light that your helmet strap will fly right off. Oh my God.
Audrey, how do I get it to get closer?
There's a little like tab on the shutter that you turn it with your phone.
Got it.
What do I do when he starts putting his head down?
Firm the contact, push him forward.
There's horses running around.
Oh, you're good. That's two away. Who is that?
Ivy, the one who horse you're watching.
Oh, okay, you're really watching it.
This is only I'm the second person to ever ride him, huh?
I know, that's what I'm looking about. How he looks in the saddle.
You're not getting my water bottle.
Kick him forward. There you go. Just stay nice and light in the hand. Remember, he's different from Milagro. There you go. Keep him nice and light. He has a nice soft mouth.
So you're not too long. Your legs aren't under his belly.
No. We could hit the pony party circuit. He'll earn his...
Did I try to trot him?
No, don't even try to trot him.
I think I asked.
Yeah, try to make a better video out of it.
Alright. Wait, let me make it on the inside then.
I think she's joking.
Yeah, I was.
No, but she can. He should be good. You need to make sure, though, you keep your hands light. Really light, so you don't hang on them.
Stretching down.
Then you just take a little bit, you walk up. Okay, here's a little, and trot. Watch it throwing your right hand away. You need even contact with this horse. It's a baby horse.
There, trot, trot.
Keep your contact even, and he'll round out his neck. Good boy. Round up. There you go. He should go to the back. It's fitted up. There. He goes nice and low.
Got a nice
Out
trot.
right range. Yeah, because he knows how to his back.
You're not getting my water bottle.
Right range. There, now go round up. Good. Watch your left hand, bring it up a little bit. There you go. Your hand's wide. There. You round it up.
Robin.
Huh? What? Your water bottle?
Go, Ruby. There. He goes right to the pot. Straighten it with the right. You're pulling too much to the inside. There you go. And then all you have to do is think long. Yeah, see, here. Down to you. Back in the trot. I gotta go back and smell it. Rio, trot. Trot. W-A-L-K. Sit. There. And then tell him W-H-O-A.
Oh.
Yeah, I have all the buttons on them for you. It's just the growing.